I want to do product case studies, but I don't know how to do that. I need to look at some inspiration, how others have done. I'm really confused on where to start. If you're someone who have this question, then this video is for you. Manoj here, a product manager and content creator. So in this video, we are going to talk about different websites where you can find product case studies, product teardowns, UX case studies, from which you can take inspiration from and learn from how they have solved the problem. So all the website links are attached in the description. So let's get into the video. The first website in the list where you can find product management case studies is Product Folks Case Studies. So here you can explore case studies on different uh, problem statements like RCAs, metrics, guesstimates, product improvement, product design. So let's see the featured case studies. And once you come down, you can, here you have a filter. For example, I just want to look at product improvement case studies, and here you can see all the case studies which are focused on product improvement. And once you a particular case study, you'll be able to read more about the case study, like how can we improve Swiggy delivery services. It is very clear and concise, from starting from describing about the problem, defining the problem, understanding the problem, clarifying questions, and how they have come up with the solution and prioritizing the solution. It's very detailed and very clean, and you should definitely check out Product Folks product case studies. The next in the list is STAR case studies. So here, which is nothing but a curation of product case studies from different platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other social media platform where people have posted. Right? It has different concepts on acquisition, activation, adoption, conversion, trust, engagement, growth, and much more. So let's say I want to look at GTM, right? Which is the go-to market, which is a very important concept, right? So let's say develop a GTM strategy for ASL. So once you come here, you will be able to view the case study about developer GTM for ASL, like product teardown on ASL, which is a Uniaco thing. And you can view those case studies here too. And there are a lot of them. So you can search by company, you can search by specific company, you can search by different categories. And this is a very, very good thing because it has multiple case studies, like lot of them, right? So for example, let's say I'm applying for a particular company, let's say Echo Insurance, right? And I want to understand before I go to the interview. So I find case studies related to those companies here. And this is also completely free. uh, yeah, so here you can view the Aqua Insurance case study where you can learn about the company, learn about the problem statement, etc. The next in the list is Growth.Design. This is a very, very good course and it has a very immersive and interactive experience. So let's say I want to check out onboarding. So I come here, I click at a particular thing, let's say Loom, right? And once you click on that, you have a very interactive and a very exploratory thing where let's say they come, they open the laptop, they walk through the entire user journey from start to end, and they tell about different psychological facts, right? And what are the improvements that can be done, how does it work, etc. So it's a very good thing. You can learn about different case studies, different companies, and different topics here. The next is case study club case studies. So here these case studies are mostly focused on product and UX design, but these are very detailed. So for example, I go here, I'll be able to view a brief description about the case study, and when I click on view case study, it takes me to the website of the user. So where they tell like what's the overview of the problem, how did they explore, right? And how did they do analysis, what are the other applications of that, etc. Right? So it's a very, they have different case studies from different people like product designers, product managers, right? And it's very good, like let's say templates in Google Docs, right? So there's a case study on Google Doc template. So if I go here, I can see what's the problem, what was their role, creating a vision, how did they design down on the vision, right? So it's very interesting to understand how people have built for very big products like big companies like Google. The next in the list is Product 50 product management case studies. So here you can find most popular case studies like on Airbnb, Netflix, and understand from them. Amazon, to all the top companies, top internet companies. The last one in the list is product management case studies. This is a GitHub repository. Although these case studies are old, But this helps you understand how have products evolved, how has Twitter evolved, how has Apple evolved, right? How has Netflix evolved? So which helps you to understand how the user needs change and how does the company change themselves to adopt to the user's goal, right? That's something, it's very interesting. Although they are old, it helps you to understand about different things, like how a company has evolved, right? On different timelines, what are the new things they do, what are the new products that they launch, right? So these are very interesting. All the links are attached in the description too. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you learn from all the product teardowns and case studies and build the best and become a best problem solver in the industry.